Roadmap to becoming a millionaire through smart investing. Ready to unlock the secrets to building wealth? This video is your comprehensive guide to becoming a millionaire through smart investing, no matter where you are starting from. We'll demystify the world of finance and provide a step-by-step roadmap to financial freedom. Successful investors aren't born, they're made. They employ specific, actionable strategies that you can learn and implement, starting today. The most important thing is to start early, even if you only have a small amount to invest. Don't let the myth that you need a lot of money to begin investing hold you back. You can start with any budget and build wealth over time. This video will focus on the core strategies that build long-term wealth, regardless of your initial investment. Identifying the best assets is crucial for maximizing your wealth growth potential. We'll delve into different investment options, from traditional stocks and bonds to real estate and alternative investments. Each asset class has its own potential benefits and risks. We'll break down these factors to help you make informed investment decisions. Understanding these assets is key to building a diversified and profitable portfolio. Building wealth goes beyond just choosing the right investments. It's about developing the right habits and mindset. These habits are what differentiate wealthy investors from everyone else. Disciplined saving is the foundation of wealth creation. Consistent investing, regardless of market conditions, is equally important. Focus on long-term gains and avoid emotional decision-making driven by fear or greed. Remember, building wealth is a process, not a quick fix. It requires patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. Embrace the journey and commit to these habits for lasting financial success. This video is designed to be practical and engaging, providing you with a clear step-by-step guide. We'll simplify complex concepts to make them easier to understand and implement. We'll break down each strategy into actionable steps you can take immediately. No jargon, no complicated formulas, just clear and concise information. Our goal is to empower you to take control of your financial future. We'll conclude with powerful tips and actionable advice that you can implement right away. These insights will help you optimize your investment strategy and accelerate your wealth-building journey. These tips are designed to be practical and easy to implement. They cover everything from tax-advantage investing to negotiating better deals. We want to equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed. Compounding is the eighth wonder of the world. It's the process of earning returns on your initial investment and then earning returns on those returns. This creates a snowball effect that can dramatically accelerate your wealth growth. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to compound. Even small amounts invested consistently can grow into substantial wealth over time. Don't underestimate the power of compounding. Before you start investing, it's important to understand your risk tolerance. This is your ability to withstand potential losses in your investments. Your risk tolerance will influence the types of investments you choose. If you're risk-averse, you may prefer lower-risk investments like bonds or dividend-paying stocks. If you're more comfortable with risk, you may consider investing in growth stocks or real estate. Understanding your risk tolerance is crucial for building a portfolio that aligns with your comfort level. Diversification is a key strategy for managing risk. It involves spreading your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographic regions. This helps to reduce the impact of any single investment on your overall portfolio. By diversifying, you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. If one investment performs poorly, the others can help to offset the losses. Diversification is a fundamental principle of sound investing. Investing in your financial education is one of the best investments you can make. The more you know about investing, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Read books, attend seminars, and follow reputable financial websites and blogs. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become in your ability to manage your finances and build wealth. Setting clear financial goals is essential for staying motivated and on track. What do you want to achieve with your investments? Do you want to retire early, buy a house, or pay for your children's education? Write down your goals and create a plan to achieve them. Having clear goals will help you stay focused and make smart investment decisions. Your goals will also help you measure your progress and celebrate your successes. Automating your investments can help you stay consistent and avoid emotional decision-making. Set up automatic transfers from your bank account to your investment account on a regular basis. This ensures that you're consistently investing, even when you're busy or tempted to spend your money elsewhere. Automation is a powerful tool for building wealth on autopilot. High-interest debt can be a major obstacle to building wealth. Focus on paying off your debts as quickly as possible. This will free up more money to invest and accelerate your wealth-building journey. Avoid taking on unnecessary debt, such as credit card debt or high-interest loans. Living within your means and avoiding debt is crucial for achieving financial freedom. Building wealth takes time and patience. Don't expect to get rich overnight. Focus on making consistent progress over the long term. The stock market will have its ups and downs, but it's important to stay the course. Remember that investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused on your long-term goals and don't get discouraged by short-term market fluctuations. Patience is a virtue when it comes to investing. Over time, your portfolio may become unbalanced due to market fluctuations. Some assets may outperform others, causing your asset allocation to drift away from your target. Rebalancing involves selling some of your winning assets and buying more of your losing assets to bring your portfolio back into alignment. This helps to maintain your desired risk level and maximize your returns. Take advantage of tax-advantaged investment accounts, such as 401ks and IRAs. These accounts allow you to defer or avoid paying taxes on your investment earnings. Contributing to these accounts can significantly boost your long-term returns. Consult with a financial advisor to determine which tax-advantaged accounts are right for you. Stay informed about the latest financial news and trends. This will help you make better investment decisions and adapt to changing market conditions. Follow reputable financial news sources and be wary of get-rich-quick schemes. Knowledge is power when it comes to investing. Consider seeking professional advice from a financial advisor. A financial advisor can help you develop a personalized investment plan that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. They can also provide guidance on asset allocation, portfolio management, and tax planning. A good financial advisor can be a valuable asset in your wealth-building journey. This is your moment to take control of your financial future. Start small, stay consistent, and never stop learning. The path to becoming a millionaire is within your reach. Now take the first step. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable financial insights. And most importantly, start investing today. Your future self will thank you.